Okay, parts have been spread out a little bit more. I've got my hardware all teamed up here. These are the nuts and bolts that's going to hold the two pieces of glass together. You'll see that in a second. That's with a 4mm Allen and a 10mm wrench. And then these are going to go on the brackets on the side for these. And that is with a 5mm Allen and a 13mm here. So here's our two pieces of glass. And this is our piece of metal that adjoins them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel off all this plastic, and we're going to get this put together and make this two pieces into one piece. Okay, let me show you where we are. Obviously, I got the film pulled off. It's filmed on both sides. So it comes with a Phillips head screw, like a #1 bit, but don't break out your screw gun. They send you a screwdriver, this wimpy little tiny little screwdriver that doesn't even seem like it fits right, but you know what? Use it, because you don't want to use your screw gun on here. It will strip out the screws. This wimpy little screwdriver is just right, because you can only get so much torque on it, and it's plenty. 63 Chevy pickup, small dead blow, just tap it on, and this is actually one of the better quality ones, because when you tap it on, it stays on. Like in these tight corners here, it doesn't try to pop back off. So it's looking more like a complete windshield now. I got these bolts in. Remember, we got this L angle, so everything's kind of loose. Get these all started, both sides. Get them started, because that's going to locate where this windshield is, up and down, side to side, everything. Get these all started, both sides, and then cinch them down. After you cinch them down, then you can do these. As you can see, I'm going to have to move my mirror a little bit, no big deal. And then this is kind of cool, these buckles, the way they're kind of oval shaped, they go inside that cutout, pop in there like that, and then the strap's going to go around that little bar and cinch down. Down here, of course, we did these first on both sides, and then we have our Velcro straps up here. She looks pretty good. Follows the body line really well. You know, hairline gaps, but so what? You want gaps. You need some airflow through there. These vents here, just flop them like that. You let some air in, and you put it back up and close the air off. Let's see what it looks like from the inside out. Okay, I don't know if you guys can tell this or not, but looking through, this is very clear. My factory windshield that came with this car, it was very ripply. I mean, it was bad. It was like make you sick to your stomach bad. It was so ripply. This one here, crystal clear, nice and smooth. On a quarter mile yet, and this is what the windshield looks like. It's got some dust on it. Got some dust on it, but we're hoping a lot of that's going to blow off. We'll see how it does. Our vents are open. Looks like after about 5 miles of mountain riding. Honestly, it looks a lot better on camera. See what it looks like on the outside. Yeah, pretty dusty, and honestly, when the sun's shining on you, it's hard to see. We got our vents open. The vents appear to be either open or closed. To close them, seem like you have to go to the outside. Kind of janky. It is plastic, so there's some static clean. I'm going to wipe off half this so you can see the difference. Go to